Okay, let's start with chapter number 10, means of communication. So in this chapter, we will study about different means of communication. And means of communication is used to convey message and information, either to individual or to masses. So means of communication bring closer to each other. With the advancement of modern means of transport and communication, international outlook has been developed. Though means of communication, we can get news for the whole at our home. Means of communication is divided into two types. Means of individual communication, जिसे हम personal communication भी कहते हैं, और mass communication. So let's study about means of individual communication. When you have to send message to individual, like आपको किसी friend को भेजना है, relative को, business partner को, कोई official message भेजना है, इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Means of individual communication. Right? In this we have post, telephone, wireless, fax, pager, and computer. Now what is post? Today it is a vast network of post office all over the world. Fast means of modern transports help in the fast delivery of letter. आप parcels हो गए, postal stamps हो गए, right? These stamps carry lot of information about different country और ये आप rail से, roadways, airways किससे भेज सकते हैं. Then telephone. By using telephone, you can talk directly with any person living in any part of the world. For talking to people living in another town and in another country, we have STD, that is subscriber trunk dialer, and ILC, that is international subscriber dialer. Right? These days, small phones called mobile or cellular phones are becoming very popular. These phones are cardless, right? And they can be carried with us whenever we go. Now, fax machine, it is used to send written message instantly. You have to put your message in a fax machine and dial the required number. और जो message है वो instantly deliver हो जाता है to the other at the end by the fax machine. Email or electronic mail. It is a system of sending message via computer. We can send mail to anyone. आप किसी को भी mail instantly भेज सकते हो. Right? Now means of mass communication. We have newspaper, magazine, radio, television. ये क्या है आपके means of mass communication. So newspaper, local, national as well as international newspapers and magazines, they are published in various languages. ठीक है? तो आप इसमें political, business, sport, educational, कोई social news सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. जो फर्स्ट वीकली न्यूज़पेपर था वो पब्लिश किया था जर्मनी में बाय जॉन कॉर्डेस इन 1604. मैगजीन दे आर पब्लिश्ड वीकली, फोर्टनाइट, मंथली, ईयरली. दे कंटेन समरी ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज, स्टोरीज, आर्टिकल्स ऑफ कल्चर, साइंटिफिक एंड टेक्निकल थॉट्स. नाउ वी हैव रेडियो, व्हिच इज द फर्स्ट वायरलेस मींस ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन. दे आर ट्रांसमिटेड थ्रू रेडियो वेव्स. नेशनल इंटरनेशनल न्यूज, लिसन टू वेरियस प्रोग्राम रिलेटेड टू education, sports, and entertainment. Radio are handy means of communication. A very small radio is called transistor. Then we have television, which is the most popular means of mass communication. It is invented by John Logie Baird in 1926. We can only hear on radio, but television allows us to see as well as. So we can watch television in comfort of our home without going out of theatre. Right? Then we have satellite. So launching of artificial satellite into the space has brought revolution in the mass of communication. These satellite help in telephone, radio, television communication. With the help of this satellite, आप क्या watch कर सकते हो? Live cricket match which is being played. And these artificial satellite are called space bridges. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Space bridges कहते हैं. Then we have cinema. So cinema, it is an important means of mass communication. Influence the life of millions of people. एक सोर्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट है, एजुकेशन के लिए भी, कोई अगर डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म है, एंड इन दिस वे वेरियस मींस ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन हेल्प इन इंक्रीजिंग अवेयरनेस एंड हैविंग अ ब्रॉड आउट. और ये क्या है आपका गुड सोर्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. दिस हैज चेंज्ड द होल कंसेप्ट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. कंप्यूटर आर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन दैट कैन स्टोर वास्ट अमाउंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टू हेल्प टू यूज इट व्हेनेवर नीडेड. दे आर आल्सो फास्ट एंड क्विक डिवाइस. मोस्ट कम्युनिकेशन डिवाइस जो है या आपकी लिंक है कंप्यूटर से. इट इज बिकॉज कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी एंड सैटेलाइट मेनी न्यू मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन लाइक मोबाइल फोन, ईमेल, वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब और इंटरनेट. ये क्या है? अदर डिवाइसेस हैं. इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी हैज गिवन अस एन इंपॉर्टेंट डिवाइस सैटेलाइट, जो किससे लिंक्ड है? विया सैटेलाइट, एंड दे आर यूज्ड इन रिमोट एरिया वेयर टेलीफोन फैसिलिटीज आर स्टिल नॉट अवेलेबल. Then we have negative effects of mass communication. Sometimes what happens? People spread fake news and create rumors. मोबाइल फोन्स होते हैं वो क्या emit करते हैं? रेडिएशन which is harmful. People do not go out of see sports and games, right? Children do not go out to play. They like to eat at home and play computer game. Spending too much time on television and playing video games has created health problems. बहुत सारी health problem भी create. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Let's start the exercise. Now, which among these is a means of individual communication? तो आपका telephone. Sending message through computer, what we call email. To send a written message, what we use? Fax. It is an important means of mass communication. Cinema. Which emit radiation which is harmful to us? That is your mobile. Now fill in the blanks. Artificial satellites are called man-made satellites. We should not watch too much television because it creates problem. Dash and dash are published in various languages. Newspaper, and magazine. Radio programs are transmitted through the dash is used to send written message instantly. So हम किसका यूज करते हैं? ईमेल का. Now write T for true and F for false. We can use postal communication only within our country. It's true. Newspaper are published in many languages. It's true. A fax machine can be used for direct conversation. False. Radio and television is a means of individual. False. क्या है? Mass communication. Email is an instant means of communication. It's true. Now radio, satellite, email, electronic mail, mobile phone, wireless means, fax machine, fax line, space bridges emit radiation. Right? Next is read the hints and find the names of means of communication. It is published weekly or monthly. Magazine. It is a good source of information and entertainment. Television. Postal stamps are affixed on the means of communication. You can take anywhere this means of communication. Mobile phone. Now answer the following question. How many means of communication? How many means of communication are useful for us? आपको 3 means of individual communication बताना है. Like you can say we have mobile phone, email, right? How are telephones and mobile phone useful? You can talk to anyone, whenever, wherever you are. Name the means of mass communication. Television, newspaper, magazine, radio. Write a short note on the newspaper, magazine, radio or television. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.